And let's talk about the two primary output that SAFe says. One is the committed PI objectives and the program board.
Exactly.
So let's just start with what are PI objectives and what do they look like when they're committed?
Right. So PI objectives, see, requirement or features might be termed as a requirement, right? Requirement is one thing. Functionalities which we develop to satisfy those requirements are another thing. What are we trying to accomplish when we are putting these features? What is the final output? That's the number, that's the features. But what we want to focus on is what is the outcome.
Very important.
Right? The outcome is more important than the output.
100%.
So the outcome from the user's standpoint, user's experience standpoint, to what extent we are solving the user's problem, to what extent we are enhancing the user's experience. Okay, so those are the objectives. Right? For example, if I take building a login page, just a simple example.
Yep.
Right? So there are different features: forgot user ID, forgot password, remember password, all those things. But what is the objective of that page? The objective of that page is simple: give the user a capability to create a password, a user ID, so that he can, when he enters and clicks in, he logs into the application or the product.
Got you.
So one of the principles of the SAFe is base milestones on the objective evaluation of the software.
Objective evaluation of the software. Those are the key base milestones.
Yeah, it's just not about the working software. It's about the objective attainment or objective evaluation. Right? So that's very important. So of all these 10 features, of all these 50 user stories by the team, what are we trying to accomplish? What is the objective of we creating these small packets of value and releasing? What are we going to achieve as an objective? In terms of business language, every team comes up what they are contributing in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines.
Got you.
Right? So that's how the business objectives are framed by the team.
Yeah, definitely. So committed PI objectives and the program board. Let's talk about the output of the PI, which is the program board. How does that actually, what does that look like when that's ready?
Program board, as it's a working board, it's a daily working board. It's an information radiator for the entire art. So it shows when are the features which are committed getting accomplished or getting done. It plots the features which are committed, which are planned for the PI on the horizontal, on the time frame, or what would I say is in which iteration the feature is getting done.
Got you.
Right. And the most important thing which the program board also shows us is the significant dependencies for accomplish or for making those features done. What are those significant dependencies within the teams in the art? How are the teams dependent on each other?
Got you.
How are the teams dependent on teams which are outside the art? What are those significant dependencies? So it gives a good information it gives a good picture about what is the plan, what are those dependencies which we need to address, what are those dependencies which we need to take care of for us to make this plan happen successfully. So that program serves as a team board for the program team. So every day, just like a daily stand-up, we do have stand-up calls at a program level. So they go through that board. Are we on track?
Mm-hmm.
If you are not on track, what is that holding us off?
Right.
What is that dependency which is not getting addressed? What should we do?
Yeah, so just like a board on a program level that kind of shows what team is doing, working on what are the dependencies, what might be some risks. So just a visual way for teams to understand what they committed to and what they're working towards.
Exactly.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We will sure to come back with more exciting videos on Agile topics.